Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your brother Big O.T.G. The O.T.G is for Overtime Grind, Charles Pears. Right now, man, we just gonna go into some songs. I'm sort of like your DJ. I just wanted to play some songs that, some beats that I created in my MPC Live 2 that I didn't create on camera. I'm probably gonna play like 4 beats for y'all, just so y'all can see the stuff that I make without words and without all the talking. You can make all types of beats. Like this first beat is a certain kind of beat. Wait till you hear the next one. Okay. That's the first beat right there. It's got some of the new plugins in there. It's got some of the new effects in there. All these are straight out the machine. I have, unless there's some audio compression that YouTube does, these are straight out the drum machine. Straight out the drum machine. The second beat right here, first, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. Check out everything in the Gumroad. All of these sounds, a lot of these sounds outside of the plugins you could get from getting the O.T.G Stimmy Pack. This right here, I chopped down Desires by Drake and Future and just wanted to see what I could get from messing around with that using the stems. simple 808 Future got a little knock. You know, we leave a lot of space for the ad-libs to come on. So, you know, that's that type of sound right there, 145 BPM. It's mostly drums and chops, drums and chops, drums and sample chops. This next beat, this is the O.T.G style beat. It's a little bit different. It's a little bit outside of the norm, but this type of music is the music that we make that could go on podcasts, goes in the background of movies, goes and you could talk over, could be vocal beds, all of these different type things. Wrap that up. This is beat number 4. It's got a bunch of different plugins. It's all from scratch. Beat 1's from scratch. Beat 2's a bunch of samples. Beat 3's from scratch. And this 4th beat, I don't know. I think I lost this. It says it's October 1st. I don't know if I made this on video. I don't know if I didn't. But it's got a good vibe, good alternative sound. Drums are knocking. You can get the O.T.G Smackers kit. Again, I'm just showing you stuff that I got in my MPC. I'm trying to find different ways to open up and show different ways of beat making and what we can do out of these machines standalone. So hopefully you enjoy it. That's it, guys. That's my trial run right there. This is the first of these types of videos. Let me know in the comments if you stay to the end. If you like this, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, and let's see if anybody don't steal it. We might do this more. It's your brother, Big O.T.G.